Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Call Me on drums. First, let's establish the core rhythm. Begin by playing the hi-hat consistently on every eighth note, ensuring a smooth, even flow. Next, integrate the bass drum on the first and third beats of each measure, providing a strong pulse. Finally, strike the snare drum firmly on the second and fourth beats, creating the iconic backbeat that drives the song forward. This foundational pattern is crucial for the entire track. Moving into the verse, the drum pattern largely maintains its core structure. Keep that steady eighth note hi-hat going, providing a constant shimmer. The bass drum continues to anchor the rhythm on beats 1 and 3, while the snare drum consistently marks beats 2 and 4. To add more depth, try incorporating some soft ghost notes on the snare drum between the main backbeats. This subtle addition enhances the groove without overpowering the vocals. Now let's tackle the chorus, where the energy typically lifts. To build anticipation, try opening the hi-hat briefly on the end of beat 4 just before the chorus hits. During the chorus, maintain the bass drum on beats 1 and 3 and the snare on 2 and 4, but play them with a bit more power. A well-placed crash cymbal on the very first beat of the chorus can really emphasize the section change and add a powerful punch. Finally, let's look at the bridge and outro. The bridge might offer a chance for a slightly different feel, perhaps a bit more open or with some simple tom fills to create a dynamic shift. Don't overcomplicate it. A 2-beat or 4-beat fill can be very effective. For the outro, the song usually fades out on the main groove or concludes with a definitive final crash and bass drum hit. Focus on smooth transitions between all these sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.